Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these jumbo box braids on my super short hair. Okay, so if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now.
Got me skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
So I'm going to start by blow drying my hair. So as you see, I'm just applying this heat protector cream all throughout my hair. Now what I'm doing is parting and sectioning my hair off with these rubber bands, and I'm using this Eco Styler gel for hold. So now my hair is all parted, and this is what I had already done so far. The hair I used is this Rastafri pre-stretched goddess curl braiding hair. As you see, they do have the curly ends, but I'll explain why mine didn't end up curly later in this video. So this is about how much hair I use per braid, and since I'm following this crochet method, I can't pull all the hair through with this little needle. So I separate it in half, and as you see, I like twist the middle where I'm gonna hook the braiding hair to the needle just so that it's easier to hook on. I hope that makes sense. And then I pull the first half of the hair through, and then the second half, because like I said, the needle is too small for me to pull it through all at once. And now all I'm doing is just braiding my little puff in with the braid. Sometimes the puff did like stick out at the root, so I'm going to show you guys in a second what I did to fix that. So since my hair is so short, sometimes it would stick out at the root of the braid, like I said. So what I did when this happened is I pulled the hair that was sticking out through the braid with the crochet needle, and then boom, no more sticking out. That's gonna be harder for me to explain with words than just show y'all, so just like pay attention. Alright, so now I'm going to just show you guys this process a few more times just in case you don't quite understand, and if you still have questions, just comment below. Now I'm just cutting away all these flyaways to make it look cleaner, and then I am dipping them into hot water to set it. Now I have always known to set my braids with hot water when I'm done, but I didn't know that me doing this would lead to them not having the wavy curly ends anymore, which is why it ended up straight. So if you want the curly ends, I don't really know what to tell you guys other than to either not dip them, or when you do dip them, use some type of like curling rod or something, because if you set them with hot water, they're gonna straighten. But like, I don't know, like braids need to be dipped, otherwise they just look fuzzy and then they'll unravel. So I don't really know. So here's how they turned out, you guys. I really love the result. I didn't expect them to look this good. I'm super happy with them. I didn't really time how long it took me. It definitely didn't take me as long as my faux locks took me. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll include it. It didn't take that long at all though. I did it between yesterday and today though, because like, I don't know, I just wanted to split it up. But you could really get this all done in one day. I will say that these are very heavy. Like my head feels like it just like could just go back, you know what I mean? So they're very heavy. And also I want to say that I didn't know that with this hair and the curled ends, that if I dip it, that they would straighten. I didn't really think about it, but they needed to be dipped because otherwise they were all like puffy and crazy. So I would rather have them straight and dipped than curly and not dipped, because they looked crazy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys have any questions, just comment below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and also follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.